OSO is a taco shop with
different tacos than what you're going to find anywhere else.
It's easy as a come-and-go restaurant.
We just want to make great food and have guests have a great experience. And
we feel like it's nice enough to come and enjoy on a special date night and casual enough to come by in your Lululemon and drop in for lunch.
We call it two white guys making tacos. It's not necessarily, we're not trying to be authentic, because we try to kind of go a little bit beyond what everybody's perception of what could go in a taco would be.
The vegan enchiladas have become a favorite so far. I'm not strictly vegan, but I think it's one of the best items on the menu. As well as a house favorite is our street corn, which is Mexican elotes. We serve that street corn off the cob. It's just a little bit rich. We top it with crushed Takis, so it's has a little bit of fun heat to it. It's finished like a tiny little casserole dish.
Well, the personal favorite is probably our brisket taco. It's a brisket burn-in that we cook with some barbecue sauce, and then it has pepitas, radish, and a fried pickle spear, which actually didn't start out on the menu that way. That kind of developed as we were testing the menu.
Well, we refer to this house as a taco and cocktail den, and then we thought the play on that was fun. It's sort of a den, a bear's den. And since we're serving Mexican fare and tacos, we decided to call it OSO Paseo. So we're the bear on the street.
We have a great cocktail program. Our program is probably not what you would expect of just a taqueria around town. We have some great rum-inspired Baja Tiki cocktails.
We've got one item called the Montezuma that's served in a whole pineapple. We core those pineapples here, and then we use that fresh pineapple in the al pastor taco. And then another super fun item is our take on a pina colada. It's called the Vallarta Colada. We serve it in a whole coconut. One of the things we celebrate about getting to be here, we've also built what we consider an indoor-outdoor concept. So we've got nearly as many seats outdoor on a beautiful patio that has windbreaks, and it has fans and diffusing misters and infrared heaters. So we're trying to create a patio that's usable 300 days a year for beautiful outdoor dining. We think it's a beautiful taco and cocktail den, delicious food and excellent service. So we hope that people will come and enjoy, whether they're dining inside or outside. We're here 7 days a week to welcome you.